Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix heating issue during charging on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Samsung Galaxy A55 5G have heating issues. If your phone is heating too much, then follow these steps. Simply go in settings, scroll down, tap on display, tap on adaptive brightness, go back, tap on battery, tap on power saving, enable the power saving from here. Now go back, tap on background usage limits and enable this option. Simply tap on three dots, tap on adaptive battery and turn it on. Go back, go back. If your phone is still heating during charging, then you can simply restart your phone by tapping on this power button, tap on restart. The another issue of heating maybe is hot temperature and the virus and malware using your mobile processor. To remove the virus and malware, you can simply go in settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, again scroll down, tap on app security, tap on app protection. Simply scan your phone by tapping on it. These are some steps to fix heating issue on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. If your phone is still heating up, then contact Samsung customer support. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.